the world's first tri-folding smartphone. Huawei has finally announced the highly anticipated Mate X-T Ultimate design, marking a significant milestone in foldable device technology. As the world's first tri-folding smartphone, the Mate X-T stands out in a market dominated by traditional inward-folding devices. Huawei has just introduced the Mate X-T Ultimate, the world's first smartphone with a tri-fold design. When fully unfolded, the device measures 10.2 inches in diagonal. Folding the left section behind reduces it to a 7.9-inch foldable, and folding the right side transforms it into a compact 6.4-inch bar-style phone. Despite its complex design, the Mate X-T Ultimate is impressively thin at 3.6 millimeters unfolded and weighs just 298 grams, even with its large camera setup based on the Mate X5 foldable. The device technically features a single screen, a flexible LTPO OLED with a 120Hz refresh rate and support for 10 billion colors. Its full resolution is 3184 by 2232 pixels, which adjusts to 2232 by 2048 and 2232 by 1008 pixels depending on the folding configuration. Huawei calls this display 3K, positioning it as a middle ground between 2K, quad high definition, and 4K. The screen has a 92% screen-to-body ratio, with the fully unfolded 10.2-inch display. Huawei also claims to enhance the display with AI computing image quality. The rear camera setup resembles the Mate X5, but incorporates Huawei's P-series features. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel sensor with PDAF and OIS, paired with the P60 Pro's variable aperture of 1.4 f/4.0. There's also a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5.5x optical zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a laser autofocus module. The device also features an 8-megapixel front camera in a punch hole on the large display, which functions as the selfie camera when the device is folded. The Mate X-T Ultimate's hinge system, named after the Tiangong space station, allows for internal and external bending, using dual tracks and moving parts to ensure zero-gap folding. The hinge is constructed from a composite laminate with non-Newtonian fluid components, adding durability. Huawei says the Mate X-T's single-screen mode is ideal for daily tasks. The dual-screen mode is optimized for web browsing and reading, and the fully unfolded triple-screen mode is best for detailed work or study. The large screen enhances productivity tools like email, financial management, multitasking, video playback, and AI-based features. Huawei Mate X-T is powered by a Kirin 910 processor. The chipset features an 8-core CPU consisting of 1 by 2.3 GHz Taishan Big Core, 3 by 2.18 GHz Taishan Mid Cores, and 4 1.5 GHz Cortex A510 cores, paired with a Meliu 910 MP4 GPU, along with 12GB 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, delivers outstanding overall performance for opening and running applications, flipping through menus, running home screens, and more. The device features the upgraded Xiaoyi voice assistant, known internationally as Celia. AI functions include voice-to-text, automatic split screen, real-time document translation, and photo retouching. All of this runs on HarmonyOS 4.2, a system based on Android open source project AOSP. Without Google services, a key feature available only in the Chinese market is dual-way satellite communication, connecting only to Tiantong satellites via China Telecom. The Mate X-T Ultimate's battery consists of 3 silicon carbide composite cells, offering a total capacity of 5,600 mAh. It supports 66 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and reverse wireless and wired charging at 7.5 watt and 5 watts. In our limited use, we could see the Huawei Mate X-T represented a significant leap forward in foldable smartphone technology, offering a unique combination of a larger screen with enhanced portability. It would be interesting to see how the foldable performs in everyday use, but Huawei's definitely got our attention. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.